So, to reduce anxiety, start by taking a moment to relax your body. Soften any unnecessary tension in your belly and shoulder. And find a posture that feels both relaxed and alert. Now close your eyes or look downwards and rest your hands in an easy, effortless way. Take a few moments to scan your awareness through the sensations of your body, and wherever possible, soften and release obvious areas of physical tension. Feel the sensations in your body in this moment, and as you breathe, allow your body to completely and fully relax. Allow stress to flow out of you with each breath. Your body is becoming calm and comfortable. Let any tension in your brow go. Let any tension in your lips go. Let any tension in your eyes go. Just relax in the comfortable space that surrounds you. Once you feel relaxed and centered, start to bring yourself to one of your favorite, peaceful, beautiful places. This could be a place you've been before, like a silent redwood grove with cool shade and towering ancient trees, or a white sand beach where the ocean waves gently lap the shore and the smell of the sea makes you feel at home. It could be a place built entirely in your imagination, a lovely, slowly swaying bridge that you stand on, watching a babbling brook flow away beneath it. Or an ancient oak in the autumn, with golden leaves fall around you as you sit under the shade and watch the golden, orange sun pass over the horizon into twilight. Wherever this special, peaceful place is for you, take some time to imagine it as completely as you can, all around you. Once you have your special place in mind, bring yourself into the picture. Imagine that you're in this beautiful place. Put yourself there. Take a walk and look at the lovely, peaceful, relaxing surroundings. Before, you were looking at this peaceful scene like a painting from a distance. Now, you're in the scene. You're living it. Be there right now. What do you see around you? There's no need to actually verbally answer this question. Just look around and see what you see. What in this scene is most relaxing to you? Take a walk in this special place and see all that you can see. What do you smell in the air? Can you smell the trees and the soil of the forest floor beneath you? Do you smell the salty air of the ocean side? Bring scent into your visualization. Smell the air where you are. Reach out and touch something that's attractive and peaceful to you. How does it feel? Is it soft to your touch? You're living in the scene. You can feel the ground beneath you and the air on your skin. How does it feel? Take a moment to listen. What sounds do you hear in this beautiful new surrounding? Can you hear birds chirping in the woods? Do you hear the ocean waves in their perpetual booming rhythm? Perhaps there is music from an ancient flute in the background. Or maybe you hear the voice of an old friend that soothes and calms you. Whatever you hear, take a moment now to enjoy listening to it. You can stay in this scene as long as you want to. Enjoy this moment of relaxation that you've taken for yourself. Feel free to walk around in this special place as long as you want. It's yours. Remember that this special place is always here for you. You can come back to it whenever you wish. You need not be afraid to lose it. It's always with you. The relaxation that you feel right now at this moment in your body is yours to call on anytime you wish. When you're ready, slowly let the scene dissolve back into your mind. Allow yourself to slowly come back to the comfortable darkness that was there before you imagined your special place. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and come back to this moment, this time, and this reality. Before you get up, take a moment to note how relaxed you feel right now, and then slowly, attentively, bring this calm and relaxation with you throughout the rest of your day. Thank you for your mindfulness.